हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल गांधीवाला जीएस क्लासेस। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हम यहाँ पे सी सेट की जो कॉम्प्रिहेंशन सीरीज़ है उसको यहाँ पे कवर कर रहे हैं और मैं यहाँ कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि आपको दिन में बिना बोर हुए एक या दो वीडियो डाल दिया करूँ सी सेट की, जिसमें आपका एक या दो पैसेजेस कंप्लीट हो जाएं और हम आपके 10 से 15 मिनट से ज़्यादा आपका टाइम नहीं ले। तो बिना देरी करते हुए हम यहाँ पे स्टार्ट करते हैं हमारे पैसेजेस रीड करना और पैसेजेस के अकॉर्डिंग किस टाइप से हम क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स दे सकते हैं और प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं उनको स्टार्ट करना। यहाँ पे हम अगर पैसेज स्टार्ट करते हैं तो आवर पैसेज इज सेइंग दैट इन्वेजन ऑफ एक्सोटिक स्पेसीज इनटू न्यू ज्योग्राफिकल एरियाज समटाइम्स अकर नेचुरली एंड विदाउट ह्यूमन एजेंसी। However, human actions have increased this trickle to a flood. Human caused introductions may occur either accidentally as a consequences of human transport or intentionally but illegally to serve some private purpose of legitimacy, to procure some hoped for public benefits by bringing a pest under control, producing new agricultural products or providing new recreational opportunities. Many introduced species are assimilated into communities without much obvious effect. However, some have been responsible for dramatic changes to native species and natural communities. For example, the accidental introduction of the brown tree snake boiga irregularities into Guam as an island in the Pacific has, through next predation, reduced 10 endemic forest bird species to the point of extinction. One of the major reasons for the world's great biodiversity is the occurrence of centers of endemician, so that similar habitats in different parts of the world are occupied by different groups of species that happens to have evolved there. If every species naturally had access to everywhere on the globes, we might accept a relatively small number of successful species to become dominant in each biome. The extent to which this homogenization can happen naturally is restricted by the limited power of dispersal of most species in the face of the physical barriers that extend to dispersal by virtue of transport opportunities offered by human. These barriers have been breached by an ever increasing number of exotic species. The effect of introductions have been to convert a hugely diverse range of local community compositions into something much more homogeneous. It would be wrong, however, to conclude that introducing species to a region will inevitably cause a decline in species richnesses there. For example, there are numerous species of plants in vertebrates and vertebrates found in continental Europe but absent from the British Isles, many because they have so far failed to relocalize after the last glaciation. Their introductions would be likely to augment British biodiversities. The significant determinant effect noted above areas where aggressive species provide novel challenges to endemic biotas ill-equipped to deal with them. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे हमारा पैसेज कंप्लीट होता है जो कि आपके बायोडाइवर्सिटीज़ और सारी चीज़ों के बारे में बता रहा है। अब इस पैसेज से रिलेटेड हम यहाँ पे क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करेंगे। तो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन नंबर 44 जो है ये आपको यहाँ पे बताता है दैट विथ रेफरेंस टू द पैसेज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज करेक्ट। द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ एक्सोटिक species into new geographical areas always led to reduced biodiversity. The next question is exotic species introduced by men into new areas have always greatly altered the native ecosystem. The third statement is man is the only reason to convert a hugely diverse range of local community composition into more homogeneous one. And the last one is none of the statement A, B, C is correct in this context. If you read that passage correctly, then you observe and you can recognize that the option D, none of the statement 1, 2 and 3 A, B, C is correct, and then your answer is D. आपका इस पैसेज के अकॉर्डिंग थर्ड ये जो डी है आपका ये आंसर हो जाएगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 45 इज व्हाट इज इट सेइंग। तो क्वेश्चन नंबर इज 45 इज सेइंग व्हाई डज मैन इंट्रोड्यूस exotic species in new geographical areas? Statement 1 is to breed exotic species with local varieties. The second statement is to increase agricultural productivities. The third statement is for beautification and landscaping. Beautification and landscaping. Now, according to question, which of the following above statement is are correct? First is 1 only, second is 2 and 3 only, third is 1 and 3 only, and the D is 1, 2 and 3 only. If you read that passage by जो आपने पढ़ा होगा तो आप ध्यान दें तो आपको पता चलेगा that 1, 2 and 3 options is correct. I mean the fourth one is 1, 2 and 3 is the correct answer. जो D आपका ऑप्शन है 45 का D जो है वो आपका करेक्ट आंसर है. Now we will move to next question. Our next question, what is it saying? So question number 46. Question number 46 is saying. Question number 46 is saying how is homogenization prevented under natural conditions? How is homogenization is prevented under natural conditions? So question number 46 first statement is evolution of groups of species specific to local habitats. The second statement is B is presence of oceans and mountain ranges. Next one is strong adaptation of groups of species to local physical and climate conditions. Then the last one is all the statement A, B, C given are correct in this context. So according to question, if you are noticing that first statement A, statement B and statement C is totally matching to our passage, ये हमने पिछला read किया था. So our D option is all the statement A, B, C are in this context is correct. So 46 का हमारा आंसर हो जाएगा डी, बिकॉज ये तीनों की तीनों स्टेटमेंट जो है हमारे पैसेज के अकॉर्डिंग करेक्ट है. सो we'll move to next question. Question number 47. What is our question number 47 is saying? How have the human been influenced the biodiversity? First statement is by smuggling live organism, by building highways, by making ecosystem sensitive so that new species are not allowed. The fourth one is by ensuring that new species do not have major impact on local species. Which of the following statement given above are correct? The first one is 1 and 2, second one is 2 and 3, third one is 1 and 3, and the last one is 2 and 4. So according to passage, if you notice, the first and second statement is according to our passage. So our answer is A. हमारा A आंसर यहाँ पे इसका हो जाएगा. So we will move to next question. Question number 48. What can be the impact of invasion of exotic species on an ecosystem? First one is erosion of endemic species. The second is change in the species composition of community of the ecosystem. Select the correct answers using the codes given below. 1 only, 2 only, both, neither 1 and 2. If you will go for this question and you will match it with your passage, then you will recognize that the third statement, both 1 and 2 is correct. So our first and second statement, which is erosion of endemic, and the second one is change in species composition of community of organism, is both is correct. So our answer is both 1 and 2. So here we just finished our one passage and we just completed our 10 minutes also. So we will go like this. हम इसी तरीके से सारा अपना पैसेजेस का जो भी है सी सेट का कॉम्प्रिहेंशन कंप्लीट करेंगे. फ्रॉम नेक्स्ट 40 to 45 डेज तक पूरा हम इसको प्रैक्टिस करने की कोशिश करेंगे विथ अवर प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर्स एंड अवर प्रैक्टिस सेट क्वेश्चन पेपर्स ऑल्सो. सो थैंक यू सो मच स्टूडेंट्स. आज के लिए इतना ही. हैव ए नाइस डे.